We are pleased to show you the 2020 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, wheel covers, 4-wheel disc brakes, FWD. Come see the car for yourself.